Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 13R, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. After that, just click on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Now select Edit button next to the Delete one and make your changes. When you finished, click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my login and password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!